Gear up, economic soldiers. You wield the power to empower nations. And guess what? We've got your back. Welcome to Connect Ventures, where we are on a mission to revolutionize how Indian entrepreneurs register their companies and handle foreign compliances. No need to travel. It's a 100% remote setup, making business registration and compliance management easier than ever. Meet the mastermind behind it all, Dr. Anil Gupta, India's premier business coach for foreign expansion. He's been a global convener for the PhD Diaspora Forum at PhD Chamber of Commerce, served as a convener for Middle East Asia at the Foreign Affairs Department of BJP, and even sat on the advisory board of the World Association of Small and Medium Enterprises. As you dive into the realm of international expansion, a myriad of questions might be racing through your mind. How do I navigate the complexities of foreign compliance? What about managing Indian regulations for overseas ventures? And when legal challenges arise, who can I truly depend on for support?
Challenges may be new to you, but we have conquered them countless times across diverse industries and geographies. At the Connect Ventures, we anticipate those challenges and provide solutions even before you encounter them. More than just an incorporation service, we are your comprehensive one-stop shop handling compliance across multiple governance systems.
Connect Ventures doesn't just cater to major business hubs like the USA, UK, Canada, Singapore, Australia, and UAE. We also extend our expertise to smaller yet significant destinations like Nepal, Mauritius, and Nigeria. With a service catalogue for over 40 countries, we've got you covered, no matter where your ambitions take you. With an impressive client base approaching the 950 mark, we've not only served multiple billion-dollar clients, but have also served listed brands and clients holding world records in their specific domains. As the go-to compliance partner in India, the Connect Venture proudly excels in three major areas. 1. Company registration. 2. Direct and indirect taxations. And 3. Secretarial compliance for any and all business function you may have, including FDI, fundraising, new company structuring, international tax planning, and annual return filings. Our ISO 9001-2015 and ISO 27001-2022 certifications bear witness to our commitment to excellence in quality management and information security practices. We take pride in being honored with several accolades, including 10 most promising corporate services providers for Startup 2023 and the most promising compliance service provider to watch globally 2023.
Whether you are looking to elevate your local business to a global scale or transform your MSME into a multinational powerhouse, we have got the expertise and solutions to make it happen. I established Connect Ventures with the vision to empower businesses like yours to reach new heights on the global stage.
The Connect Ventures has 4 brand promises. First, speed of action. 2nd, accuracy and competence. 3rd, ease of engagement with us. And 4th, cost competitiveness. Secure your spot now for a one-on-one complimentary discussion with our experts. As we embrace the golden era, the Amrit Kal of India, be a partner in shaping the nation's journey to a $5 trillion economy. Visit our website for detailed information. Shoot us a message on WhatsApp. Send a fax if that's your style, or drop us an email. Thank you for watching.